Boats are a lot more expensive than you realize. Any boat that parks here needs to be over 85 feet long. If you're in the market for a yacht, we got one for sale for you over here. I'll point out Yacht Maverick, right here on the end closest to us. That's an Italian-built yacht built by Mangusta Shipyards, and she's for sale now for $35 million.
$35 million.
And if you give them a good offer, they'll throw in that little light blue boat parked out front there for you too. Now don't even laugh at that little light blue boat. That's about a $700,000 boat right there. Boats are a lot more expensive than you realize. Oh no, some of these yachts have helicopter landing pads, so you can go from your house to your